Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create realistic images using dall-e 4. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create realistic images using dall-e 4, then all you can do is simply go to dall-e 4. So once you go to dall-e 4, then you can simply be highly descriptive in your prompt. You need to simply give prompts that are very highly defined and descriptive, and you need to basically prompt like a photographer by specifying the camera angle and then lighting that you want, like natural soft shadows, lens effects, like shallow depth of fields, realistic textures, and precise subject details, while adding keywords like photorealistic, award-winning photograph, or DSLR to guide the AI towards high-fidelity results, and iterate by refining prompts for details like skin texture or background blur. So this way you can create realistic images using dall-e 4. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.